Hi you guys, you're on my channel, Chablee Peterson, that's me. And my channel is all about natural hair growth, hair products, how to make hair products, how to make your hair grow nice and long and healthy, workout stuff. I'm talking about my baby Shadiah and me being pregnant. So if you love all that stuff, please subscribe to my channel. Today's video is all about what I do and what I use to get this natural, beautiful, curly, long, healthy hair, nice and thick, and how I get it to grow. So first I'm gonna pour this nasty fermented rice water in my hair. Now it's been in the jar for 2 weeks. I have other videos talking about how to make it and how I make mine. So let's go ahead and pour this stinky fermented rice water in my hair. So I usually drain out the rice, but this time I'm going to use this little tube. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour the fermented rice water in there. Simple as that. This is really stinky. 2 weeks. Ewy. Now we're only going to leave it in our hair less than 5 or 10 minutes because it's so strong. I'm not mixing it with no conditioner. I'm not mixing it with no oil or anything. So now I'm going to apply it to my hair. As I'm applying to my hair, I'm massaging it in. All right. So now that we're going to step in the water, my hair is still wet from the fermented rice water. I'm going to make for sure the water temperature is really cold, not too warm, right? It's more healthier for your hair. And the conditioner I'm going to start off is with Tune, the leave-in conditioner. I'm just going to place a little bit of this in my hair so it'll be easier to brush through and comb through with my hands. And then I'm going to use the Shea Moisturizer, Extra Strength Growth Restore Treatment. This one works miracles. Once I rinse that out, I'm going to place this back in my hair, and then we're going to end off using this one with conditioner. And this is a gel, and it makes your hair grow because it has the black castor oil in it. It's by Shea Moisturizer. All organic, you guys. This is great products. You should, and they're very affordable too. Feels great. This is for the shower, you guys. Oh, I love it. Scalp massage, shampoo brush. Oh, I will put the, this feels so amazing. It comes in black, white, and purple. I'm a pink lover, but purple will do. It's battery operated. It can get wet, very wet. And I'll put the link down below if you guys want to purchase one. They have a sale right now, so you could get it as low as $14, but they go as like $24.99. Easy to hold too, it doesn't slip out of my hand. Oh, that's nice. So make for sure you always dry your hair with the t-shirt. Nice soft cotton t-shirt. No matter how you wrap it on your hair or anything like that, just make for sure. So I'm just gonna place this on there for a little bit while I get dry. I'm gonna put all my good lotions on and everything. And then we'll get to putting the gel in my hair. There we go. Excellent. All right. Hey you guys, so if you like what you saw and you're getting the results, please stay tuned to more of my videos and subscribe to my channel and give it thumbs up, you guys. All right? And keep doing that hair journey. Don't give up. No heat.